What we're going to show you how to make tonight is toad in the hole, an absolute classic. So this is from Jamie Oliver's cookbook, and it is a very simple dish. It serves four, and that's how it should look like once it comes out of the oven. So first of all, what we're going to do is make the batter. So we have half a pint of skim milk in here with 3 eggs. Pretty much whisk that. Flour, sieve that in gradually. Just set it all in there, and then try and have a knack of sort of beating that in whilst sieving it. It's a really easy dish. It should only take about 15 minutes just to put together. And you can pretty much give this a twist to whatever cuisine you want. Add different things, whether it be sun-dried tomatoes. In this case, we're going to have some rosemary. We're going to make an onion gravy with it. You can make this vegetarian if you wanted to. You can put alternative milk in. Eggs is quite a key important ingredient. If it needs to rise in the oven, it's like a Yorkshire pudding. So what we've done is put 4 sausages into a deep baking tin. So that's the deep baking tin. You've got the 4 sausages in there. You've got about half a centimetre of the oil. Preferably use rapeseed oil because it's got a very high boiling point, and it's much better when heated rather than olive oil or sunflower oil. Rapeseed oil is very good. So what we're going to do now is just pour the batter over the sausages. Like so. And then we're going to add a few sprigs of rosemary. So we've got some nice rosemary here. We're going to pick sprigs. We're just going to set them into the batter. And there we have, that is now ready to go into the oven for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, you can now make your onion gravy, which is a fantastic way to go with it. Or you could have baked beans, which is a British classic to have. What I actually prefer is the Heinz 5 baked beans, which is really good. It's a lot more healthier for you. You've got 5 different beans in there. You've got the haricots, the pinto, the cannellini, the borlotti, and then the red kidney. Beans are very, very good for your gut health. Very good in complex carbohydrates, polysaccharides. So in order to make a really good onion, we've got one going here. We've used a bit of, fry a little bit of oil, and then we put some chopped red onion in there. And then we simmer that, and then we pretty much add 5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, some rosemary sprigs, and then some some gravy of your choice. It can be vegetarian, or it could be beef, or it could be chicken. In this case, we've used beef, and that's just simmering now. And we'll leave that just to one side. We've also put a little bit of garlic in there as well. So that's just simmering away. Right, serving the toad in the hole. First of all, we've steamed some greens, so we've chosen some green beans here. Just going to serve this up. Toad in the hole should be done in the oven now, so we're just going to take that out. Oh, fantastic. Toad in the hole. Nothing better than a bit of home comfort food. So what we're going to do now is just cut this into half, make sure we get it out of the tin without destroying it. So I'm going to cut this into 2. So this is the tuna hole done. It's just been served up onto the dish. Try and make that cleared out. That's tuna hole with green beans and a nice red onion gravy to go over the top. Ah, bisto. There we go. Voila. Enjoy.